So guys, ito na pa pala yung part 2. This is my intermediate part. Yan. May nasulat lang ako kasi kanina yan. Tagig siya. And hindi ko ipapakita lahat ng gamit ko. And ay ipapakita ko na yung notebook. This is my notebook. Guys. Oops. Yan. My name, my section, my school. That. Yan. If hindi nyo naintindihan, okay lang yan. And yung sasabihin ko yan. Yung kuha niya, section niyan, Luna. Ito naman yung pangalan is Jason Dennis Diaklan. And my school is COES or in Long Comembo Elementary School. Okay? Wait. Oh, I'm grade 5 now. Student of grade 5. And this is now my class. This is my files. Magulo siya kasi. Kinuha ko yun. After first. Ruler. What is this? Paper tape. Highlighter. Ayaw mo na mag-open ng light kasi guys. Gabi na. And baka paglitan pa tayo. This is my glue. Ilang days na lang, 2 days na lang. Tapos kanya. Ito. My color pencil. Permanent marker. Liquid marker. And my paint. Wait, arrange ko lang siya guys. Wait lang. So guys, yun yun. This is my pag-end. Patapos na tayo yan. Kulay purple siya. Sa tingin nyo, magaan lang. Mabigat yan, te. Gusto nyo pa nga, buhatin nyo. Try nyo. Try nyo. May bagyo dito. Okay, so, pasensyahan nyo na yung ate kong pangit. Ay, sorry